Come back here, my man. Hi, we're eating booting. Ah, you mother. Go to 54, 16, 2, 3. Now, watch it go. I'll launch him on 3s and 2 tater. Got him 16, I'll lead him. Hold the hatchet right here. Go straight to 54, bring him in. Notch in. You bring him in. Come up on 2. Right here. He's on 6-3 here. I buried the iguana right here. So we're going to put it on 6 on 3 play. Hold the line, hold the line. Jim! Yeah, he's got towards the 16 2s in the hat. Go, Ryan. Put him on 7 in the whole ship. Go, yeah, you mean that. Here behind. Yeah. Here he comes. Yeah. Sign him up, sign that line. Get out. 154 degrees, hold the line, split him up. See that crap, I don't split him in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Get out. He's transferred twice. I'm going to put him in a hold him. He's in the hold, Jay. He acts in a hammer. Here, let him loose. Transfer to 3. He's just split twice. Lead him now, hold him down. Hammer! Go silent 3 on hush motor on 4. Go to 6-3. We'll put on 9. T minus 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shut down 3 thrusters on 2. Pull back on 1. Hold it heavy. Go hush on 2. 1, 2. Thank you. Hold down. 254's got hands forward. Yeah, right. He's coming. Bring him in. Hold the line. Happen. Hold him in. Hold it. Yeah, he's got it. Now you. Got open the gate. Pull him in. Transfer 2. Hold him on. You. 3. Go. Hot. He said. Put him high. All right. Kenina, go out. 2. Mars move over. Give it right there. Right. Come down, Murphy. Down. Put it up. Hold it. Right there. There we go. You got it. Down. Neptune's with him. Here, man. 354 is going to answer for it on 16-2. We're going to run this one. I think down here about 2, 3, 1, T minus 111. Here it is. Bring it up on 6-3. Go down 2, up on 1. Here he comes. Hold him. Bring him in. Now back him out. Hold him. Shot. Line right there. Back him out. Here comes 3-2 on 6. Hold him. Run. Let him run. Right out now. Right out. Okay. Pull. I got him off. 16. Hold him out. Run him on. Grab him. Come on out. Draco. Here I die. There he goes on 3. Land him on 4. Get him out. 16-2. Run. Bring him up. Go ahead and I'll bring him back. Right now. Get Jacob's lands. Where are y'all? Here out. Go on 6-2-7. Hold him in. No. Chase him on that. I got push on you. I mean, get out when you're that. Give up. There you go. Hold me. Pull in. There's 1, son. Got him on 2. Let's spray me on 2. Back. Here, man. Walking. Talking. Here, man. He's up on the run. Come on. There's 1, son. There's 2, son. Right, here's 3, son. I'll pull up the 4th right now. Bring it on 7. Bring it on 2. 2. Hold him. Right there. We want this son right here. Transfer over here. Put him here. And we'll lead him up here. Now hold the master son. Grandfather sensors up here. Bring out 2. Right. He wants this one. Bring the sun up, down right now. 1. Hold the line. Here he comes, Sergeant. Get out. Hey, right there. He's right here. Land him in the team right out. Hold him back. Bring him up. Get out, back. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. I got shit out of here. Watch it. Hey. Get out. Mira. ¿Por qué nomás voy a dejar? Dime, dale. Mira. Let me in. There he is. Mira. Mira. One more. Hold the line. Come on. Draco's laying up here. Mira. Straight on. Run on 3. Bring around. Here back. He's coming. Go back. Here by now. Wherever you are. Here by now. Move. Here by now. Boy, I'm in out. Here by me. Get out here. Hold him up. Here he comes. Right him in. Here by. Bring out here. Hold him up. All 3 of them laying on the house. Hold him. Here by. See those 2 right there? Get him out. I didn't even recording. Hold him. He's there. He's waiting on transfer. Here, here. There we go. Wait up, here. Here. Hold him right, got him in. 3, 2, 1. Here, guys. 16-2 run. Come on, man. All right, boys. There's 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna pick the outside. I got him right there. Here, yeah. You. Team out. Taking him out. Boy. Here. Watch this. Yeah, leave me out there, my guy. Bring him out there. Hold him in. Got him on 7. He's in 3-piece. 2, 1. Got him on 7. Hey, man, now. I need to pick him right here. 3. Hold the line. Go there. On 3, 2, 1. Go. Launch it out. Run. Get it. Hold the line. 3, 2, 1, 6. Hold it. Here, on. Here on. Come on. Here on now. Here we go. Where are you? Where are you? Hold it. Right. Here we go. Here. Good. Here. Here. He's 15-2. Here we go. Here I know everybody. What are you? Right here. Come on. Right here. Here I am. Booking my guy. Thank you. Here I know. Right now. I'm running hot, my guy. 16-2. He's marked in. Right. 3. Here. One more. Very much. Here. Got you on 6. 2 on 7. Permission. Zoom out. What happened? Whoa, what just happened? What just happened? Hey, I got me a nacho. Yeah, 16-2, plant lane. 16-3, got it. Hold the line. Here you go, say. Stay back. Running. Stay back. He's mine, Colonel. Got me on. Transfer on 2. Grab he's last to hatch. Get him up. 16, got it. Here it is. Here it is. 2 left. 1 left. 2 left. Me. Tiba. Here man now. Me now, baby. You mean begin man? Begin wait. Begin what kind? Begin now. Take him away. Here my heart. Here he comes. There we go. We got 16-3, go. 2 in, 1 down. Hurry! Pull him. Hey, man up. Hurry! I got him. Hit him! 16. Bring him. Hold line. Here. Here, man. You see, I still bronze on. Here, man. Let me keep going. 1 minute. I'm going to repeat, go again.